Hey, what's up? There is total 4 P's to use for business marketing. First P, product. It can be a service too. Figure out the uniqueness of your product and service. Then, make it as a marketing message ideas because this will make your product different from competitors and also why people choose your product or service. Look into your competitor pricings. Pricing is the second P. Then analyze whether the business has a strategy to beat your competition in terms of pricings. Let's say your competitors charge cheaper. Then you can look for ways to reduce the cost or make your products or service more valuable or different in order to charge a higher price. Now, you can look into where your ideal customer be at. The third P, place. Let's say your customer loves to watch cats video. Use this as your strategy. Collaborate with the channels that provide cats videos and get your product or service shows on their videos. Once you have figured out where to market your products or service, you can move on. Think about the promotion strategy. Here is the list of promotion strategy you can use. Discount bundle, loyalty program, and many more. The goal is to get them to be a customer. Some of companies do spend a loss to acquire customers cause the customer might eventually stick with the brand and company can gain back the investments. These 4 P's are all interconnected and one piece can impact another piece. Do your research and analyze the product, price, place, promotion for a business. All the best, guys!